Tim.
You're the best twin!
Pressure. Yeah. If you ever miss anything, Tim, you're never living it down.
Nope, miss.
Go, Brock!
You gotta drive a little closer.
The gun's broken, the gun's broken, guys. I don't know.
It's not my fault. It's the guy.
The gun. That's why he missed that big moose.
Are you cold, Ivy? What if I just get quiet when it's
Okay, pull the trigger, we're getting home.
Oh, boom! Oh!
That one had a little more in it.